Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Nilo. So in today's video I'll be talking about a very important topic in every programming language, that is function, or another name for function is method. So in Java we call it method, in other programming languages such as C, C++, C Sharp or Python we call it function or maybe method. So in today's video, we'll be talking about this important topic and we have to know what is function just because it is very important. So let's know the definition for function. As you can see on your screens, that is here that a function is a block of reusable code, the code that can be reused and performs a specific task. Functions basically allow you to break down your code into smaller, manageable parts and making it more organized, readable, and easier to maintain. Suppose a project has been given to you and you have to just submit that project within its deadline. So for that you have to manage that and you have to just divide that into smaller parts so that you can use that and integrate all the smaller parts and make it a complete project. So function is the same like that. You break down your codes into smaller parts and then you reuse the code for further usage. So right now I'm going to define a function here and I will just let you guys know how can we define functions in Python. It is very easy. I will just go from the basics. I will start from the basics. The very first thing you have to do about functions is that you have to define function by giving the keyword def. Def here defines our function, and the next syntax for this is that after def you have to give any function name. So for that I will go for this. Suppose my function, this is the function name here, and then we go for the closing, sorry, opening and closing bracket. If you have any parameters, you can give your parameters, you can type it, but in this video we'll be talking about functions without any parameters. So don't forget the colon here. This is how we define our function here. And then what we need to do is that we have to just write our codes in this portion or in the body of the function. But for now we'll just simply print a very simple statement so that I will show you how can we just print or how can we just define functions in Python. So we'll go for the hello world. I guess let's not go for this sentence because it has been repeated in many other languages. Whenever you start coding in any program, the very first statement you go for is this hello world. So let's go for another sentence that I like the most, and it is good vibes only, which is the truth. You only have to seek for good vibes in your life because that is what matters the most. So yes, def my function print good vibes only. This is the body of the function and this is how you define the function in Python. Let's just see the output, and I'm sure it does not show anything in the output just because, guess the reason why it does not show anything, just because in here we have not called our function. So we have to call our function here. It is very easy. You have to just keep that in mind that we only have to call the function by its name, my function, and then opening and closing bracket, and yes, that's how it goes with this. And now let's go and check our output and see what the output shows for us, and the output says good vibes only. So yes, that's it for today's video. In the next video I promise that I'll be talking about the functions having parameters and some other programs that are very beneficial and usable, and you can just use them in your coding, in your daily coding, or maybe in Python. So until next video, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, happy coding everyone.